Hey everyone! If you've got aloe vera sitting at home and don't know what to do with it, you're about to be very happy. From glowing skin to happy hair and even soft heels, I'm sharing easy, natural aloe vera hacks that actually work. No fancy products, no filters, just real results from a plant that does it all. Let's get into it. 1. Aloe ice cubes for instant glow. Start your day with a boost of freshness. Freeze aloe vera gel with a little rose water and rub 1 cube on your face in the morning. It tightens pores, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a clean, healthy glow. 2. Overnight pimple spot gel. Got a stubborn pimple? Mix aloe vera gel with 2 drops of tea tree oil. Apply it directly on the spot before bed. It reduces swelling and helps pimples heal faster, gently, without drying out your skin. 3. Sunburn soother. If your skin feels hot and irritated after sun exposure, this is for you. Mix aloe vera gel with a little honey and apply it to the affected area. It cools down the skin, eases redness, and speeds up healing. 4. Hair growth scalp mask. Healthy hair starts with a happy scalp. Massage aloe vera gel mixed with castor oil into your scalp. Leave it on for about an hour, then wash as usual. It helps with dandruff, itchiness, and supports hair growth. 5. Natural makeup primer. Before applying makeup, smooth a thin layer of aloe vera gel onto your skin. It hydrates, smooths, and creates the perfect base without feeling greasy. 6. Under eye depuffer. Chill your aloe vera gel in the fridge. Then gently dab it under your eyes when they feel tired or puffy. It cools, soothes, and over time can help brighten up dark circles too. 7. Natural shaving gel. Ditch the foamy chemical stuff. Use aloe vera gel mixed with coconut oil as a shaving gel. It softens the skin, helps the razor glide, and prevents razor burns. 8. Hand and nail softener. Your hands deserve care too. Mix aloe gel with almond oil and a little glycerin. Massage into your hands and nails before bed. It hydrates dry hands and strengthens the nail area. 9. Overnight hydrating face mask. Want to wake up with dewy, calm skin? Mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of rosehip oil or niacinamide. Apply a thin layer before bed, no need to rinse. It helps repair your skin overnight, especially if it's dry or irritated. 10. Lip mask for soft, pink lips. Dry or dark lips. Apply a mix of aloe vera and honey before bed. Leave it on overnight. It moisturizes deeply and gently lightens dark lips over time. 11. Body acne gel. Back or chest acne bothering you? Mix aloe vera with a few drops of tea tree oil and apply it after your shower. It soothes irritation and keeps body acne under control. 12. Cracked heel repair. For rough or cracked heels, aloe vera works wonders. Apply it with a little coconut oil at night, wear socks, and sleep. You'll wake up to softer, smoother feet. 13. DIY aloe face mist. Feeling dull in the middle of the day? Spray some aloe vera mixed with rose water on your face. It refreshes your skin instantly and keeps you feeling hydrated. 14. Dark spot mask. To fade pigmentation or dark spots, mix aloe vera with a pinch of turmeric and a drop of lemon juice. Apply it to dark spots for 10 to 15 minutes at night. It helps brighten the skin slowly and safely. And that's it. Aloe vera, simple, gentle, and kind of a skincare superhero. Try any of these hacks and let me know which one becomes your favorite. And remember, good skin takes time, but with natural care, you're always on the right track. Don't forget to like, share, or follow if you want more skin-loving tips, and I'll see you in the next one.